Another quick update. All the touch-ups for the most part are done. As I look at the layout, I see some areas that I want to touch up, but everything is ready for trains to be running, which I want to do Friday, not this weekend, to have a video of trains running. I also had some requests of the track plan, which I'll add to the end of this video. Pretty much the same track plan except for the freight yard area. I did a couple deviations, which you will see. For my last video, I added a couple more mountain climbers. I still think this guy here on the right ain't gonna make it. The hobo camp down here. I can't see in the shadow. Barges with coal in it now. I added some containers and a barrel behind this building. I did touch-ups in this area. Campers are still good to go. And the canoers. When I start running trains, I want to do a halfway decent video, so I'm not sure how these official YouTube people make their videos, but I'll do what I can with what I have. You can't forget about Daryl up here, aka Bigfoot. Where you at? There you are. I've also been converting my old couplers. I forget the old U-type coupler. I've been putting the more realistic Microtrains couplers on. I have a few more coal cars I want to order, which would be this outside siding or here. And then I have a few more cars I want to get for new rolling stock. What I have now, and I do love the Cato engines. They run smooth. This Pennsylvania and this Bachmann on the left, they don't run half as good as the Cato motors or engines do. The Atlas and Bachmann I can have full throttle, while the Catos I can have like half or so, and they'll be the same speed pretty much. But I think it's looking good, and anxious to get the trains running again. So next video, I'll do my best to get some good shots of the trains running. Thanks for watching.